International Airport information. Delta 1950, meet our observation. Wind 1007, visibility 10, sky conditions, sea clouds 3,500. Temperature 29er, dew point 19er, altimeter 299er, 4. Visual approaching. Landing runway 7. 1950, meet our observation. Wind 1007, visibility 10, sky conditions, sea clouds 3,500. Temperature 29er, dew point 19er, altimeter 299er, 4. Visual approaching. Landing runway 7 left and runway 7 right. Approach is being conducted to parallel and intersecting runways. Simultaneous departures, departing runway 7 left and 7 right. Runway 7 right, tower frequency 118.1. Notice the air emissions. Numerous cranes on and in the vicinity of the airport.
Daytona clearance, November 50317, ready to copy IFR with Delta.
November 50317, Daytona clearance, clear to Tampa International Airport via radar vectors Kaiser, then as filed. Maintain 3,000, expect 10,010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 125.35, squawk 2651.
2651, 125.35, clear to Tampa via radar vectors to Kaiser, and climb and maintain 3,000 and expect 10,010 minutes after departure, November 50317.
I just want to make sure we got it right. Kaiser and then as filed. Radar vectors Kaiser, then as filed.
From radar vectors to Kaiser and then as filed.
November 317, thank you. Read back correct, and you said you had Delta, right?
Affirm.
Thanks.
All for clearance, this is November 50317. Can we amend our call sign on the clearance to jet east to 133?
50317, expect jet east 133. And just give me a couple minutes for you contact ground so I can make that change.
Roger, jet east 133, we'll wait a second. Daytona ground says jet east 133 at shelter, request taxi to be active.
Jet East 153, Daytona ground, runway 7 right, taxi via Whiskey, Yankee, Sierra, hold short, runway 7 left.
Runway 7 right via Whiskey, Yankee, Sierra, hold short 7 left, and the call sign is Jet East 133.
Jet East 133, Roger. Were you IFR down to Tampa this afternoon?
Affirmative, Jet East 133. You did the GPS check?
On the ground, right now.
157 and shelter, requesting taxi to the active, please.
So we also got WAS on board.
Jet East 157, Daytona ground, hold position.
Hold position, Jet East 157.
Rising the right side, road 67.
Daytona ground, Zero 443, is that Romeo 3, information Delta, ready to taxi, student pilot.
Brittle 443, Daytona ground, runway 7 left at November 6, taxi via Echo.
Everything's good.
Did you do the nose up check also?
I did one left turn nose down, one right turn nose up. I'm gonna connect
Base 133, runway 7 right, line of point, charge set on the open.
For what?
Line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 7 right, Jet East 133. Okay, so I got both trim, mixture, flaps up, final clear. Line up and wait.
Base 133, fly runway heading, runway 7 right, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, 7 right, clear for takeoff, Jet East 133. Power set. On the green. Airspeed alive.
Runway 15, number 1, runway 7 right, clear for the option.
Runway 15, runway 7 right, clear the option, number 1.
442, number 2, runway 7 right, clear for the option.
442, number 2, runway 7 right, clear for the option.
Chase 133 right, heading 110, contact departure, we'll see you.
110, switching departure, Chase 133.
With approach.
Okay, landing lights.
Total 8369, 1600 until established, clear for the ILS 7 left.
Daytona departure, Jetty 133 with you, passing 1,100.
Just 133 Daytona ident. That's a 3-way contact, turn right heading 160, Jetty 133.
160, Jetty 133.
169, contact tower, 120.7.
69 over tower.
Chase 133, turn right direct Kaiser, maintain 3000.
Turn right direct Kaiser and maintain 3000, Jetty 133. Basically we can say
413, turn up heading 160, jump on 7 left.
413. We still have to climb 1,000 feet more.
Number 49, traffic's now 12 o'clock, 2 miles opposite direction, altitude in case 3,600. Suggest you turn right heading 030.
Go right, 030, 489.
It is 133, clear direct Kaiser, resume on navigation.
Direct Kaiser, resume on navigation, Jetty 133.
Case 133, contact Orlando approach 135.3, see ya.
135.3, Jetty 133. Orlando approach, Jetty 133 with you at 6,000.
East 133, Orlando approach, Orlando centers 29901.
29901, Jetty 133.
Lucky 472, turn left heading at 060, join the final for 9er left, descend and maintain 1,600.
Left heading 060 to join the final runway 9er left. Set and maintain 1,600, Lucky 472.
Lucky 545 radar contact, 4 miles northeast, fifth below towers, proceed, just up arrival.
Did you want to spin it up below maneuver speed?
Orlando approach up 187, 1,500 to 2,000.
Okay.
February 187, Orlando departure, ident.
Okay.
But because of the clouds, it's not going to happen.
Okay. 352, Charlie, descend and maintain 2,000, turn 10 degrees left, expedite your descent.
Dead left down 2,000, liquid, go to.
Lucky 472, you're 3 miles from final approach fix, maintain 1,600 until established on localizer, clear ILS, runway 9er left.
Maintain 1,600 until established on the localizer, cleared, ILS runway 9er left, Lucky 472.
November 46210, you're 1 mile from Jorvu, cross Jorvu at or above 2,000, cleared to the ILS, runway 9er right.
Cross Jorvu at about 2,000 and we'll clear to ILS 9er right, 46210.
Thank you.
United 432, fly heading 290, vectors off the gate for weather.
Heading 290, United 432.
That's Leesburg, right? Alright. Yeah. Alright, and we're going to do the ILS runway 18 at St. Petersburg. The localizer frequency is 109.1. We got that on the nav1. Final approach course is going to be 176. And the touchdown zone elevation is going to be 7 feet. As for notes, we need either DME radar or EDF required. We have DME at the GPS. As for the notes, we have the circling runway 22 not authorized at night, not relevant. If the pulsar is inoperative, we have to increase visibility to 4,000 feet. And yeah, the Cat E is not relevant. Gen P fixment inoperative ALS not relevant. Right, tower frequency is going to be 118.3.
Approach United 705 with Foxtrot level 13,000.
And
705, paper
ground is going to be 119.
left, new code, squawk 1442.
Anyway, so right now we're using the Wespo initial approach fix.
442 on the
Yes, we're going to get radar vector, we'll see.
250.
From there we'll go to Zeppo.
Instead of maintain 7,000, expect vectors to be west of the arrival there. 4 precipitation.
Sort of vertical. So,
I think I stepped on you, 705 down to 7,000.
Yeah, 705, instead of maintain 7,000, expect
have to get to Kapok at 1,500 or above and intercept the flag slope. And we don't need Jimpy because we're going to be using the precision approach. The minimum is going to be 207 feet and 1,800 feet of visibility. We have both right now. And we'll be landing on runway 18 and vacating probably, talk that in a second. Missed approach procedure is going to be climb to 600 feet on runway heading and then climb on a right turn to 1700 on 330.
Yeah, 705, turn right heading 220.
And back to
220 heading at
the Petersburg VOR radial 276 to the fall intersection. In the hold there and continue climb in hold to 1700 feet. I'll put it in the right for a bit.
Jet East 133, contact Tampa approach on 118.8. Good afternoon.
118.8, Jet East 133.
American 2905, turn right direct to Finky.
right turn, direct Finky, American 2905.
We're 2 Echo Charlie, clear direct Mommy.
Direct Mommy, 92 Echo Charlie.
American 1470, contact Miami Center 132.35.
Right, to Los Angeles, it's going to do it by itself.
3235, American 1470.
American 2905, you can contact Jackson Center 135.75, good day.
3575, American 2905, we'll see you.
Jet East 133, contact St. Pete Tower 118.3.
St. Pete Tower, Jet East 133, switching, bye-bye. I got really pressing. St. Petersburg Tower, Jet East 133, with you on the ILS 18.
Jet East 133, St. Pete Tower. We've had just a bit of a wind shift. The wind is now 290 at 10. Would you like to circle for runway 22?
Negative, Jet East 133, we would like the ILS 18, sorry.
Jet East 133, runway 18, cleared to land.
18, clear to land, Jet East 133.
It's a little bit of a tailwind.
Yeah, I know.
But we have a lot of runways, so...
I will just come in a bit faster. So we're going to capture the glide slope right now. Flaps 10 and 1900 RPM. Got both, and the cabin power is off.
Wow, we'll look at the timing.
Career track 478, change of plans, enter a left downwind for runway 22.
Have control.
Left downwind for 22, career track 478.
I'm sorry, career track 478, it'll be a left downwind for runway 36.
Left downwind for 36, career track 478.
St. Pete, Skyhawk 736 Echo Sierra, checking on 1500, 200 heading.
November 736, Echo Sierra, St. Pete Tower, you're going Albert Whitted.
I'm going to call out
Affirmative, 6 Echo Sierra.
November 6, Echo Sierra.
200
if
feet,
you can,
so the minimums.
maintain VFR at 1000 and direct to Albert Whitted approved.
Alright, direct to Albert Whitted approved and VFR at 1000, 6 Echo Sierra.
Career
100
track
to go.
339, this will be your last one, the wind 290
Approach light
on
side. Okay, so I can go down to 100, I'll idle it.
2 clear to land, career track 339.
Follow the glide slope down. You can't leave the glide
Minimums,
slope.
minimums.
Right, flaps 30. 100 feet will be just about 107 feet.
So you have the runway inside.
Runway inside, copy.
So you shouldn't ideally put the flaps
Okay.
when you go to the 100 feet below because you should be missed.
Right.
Okay. So keep it coming, just feel like a soft.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
So that was a bit rough, but alright.
It's okay.
Yeah, everything's fine.
Right on Alpha.
Jet East 170, correction, 133, contact ground 121.9er, right turn Alpha 3.
Right turn Alpha 3, switching ground 1219, Jet East 133.
You want taxi to signature. I went to the shelter here, it's pretty bad.
Oh. St. Pete ground, Jet East 133, rolling off 18 on Alpha 3, requesting taxi to signature.
Jet East 133, St. Pete ground, taxi to signature via Alpha.
Taxi to signature via Alpha, Jet East 133.